Hello everyone, Kevin here on 0635, and today I'm going to be testing out Josh's red quad. I still haven't fixed this yet because I just got home not too long ago from work, and after this video is recorded I will start taking it apart and fixing it up. So here it is, the first official power on. I said the first official power on. Okay, so this guy does not want to turn on. Alright, here we go. Alright, so the head seems to be turning just fine. Oh. Okay, so that one leg motor doesn't seem like it's spinning at all, so I think it might be jammed or something. But here, let's see how well he does with the dance demo. Okay, it is moving. Oh yeah, he can barely move. Those gears are slipping badly. Alright, so this is the before I repaired the quad. So now you have a good visual of how this guy works. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and bye.